Everyone, hope everyone is in pink of their health. This side Suyash Tripathi, my second year student pursuing BLLB honors from MIT Law School, Gwalior, Madhya Pradesh, and currently I am working as a legal intern with LEXIS and Company. So today we are going to discuss a case law which is Muhammad Rani versus Muhammad Gulab Rani, ILR 1942 ALL 810. It's the second appeal number 434 of 1939. The judges in the bench were Iqbal Ahmad as a CJ and Dar as a G. Judgment date was 15th of April 1942. So this is a very landmark judgment for the subject of Indian Contract Act 1872 in the section which covers the restraint of marriage. So the brief facts of the case: this is an appeal by Muhammad Rani, defendant, arising out of a suit for profits filed in a revenue court by Muhammad Gulab Rani, respondent, under section 226 of the Agra Tenancy Act 3 of 1926. The parties to the suit are widows, a lord named Ram Adhar. Ram Adhar died in the year 1926, leaving certain zamindari property. It was contended between the parties in the revenue court that they will have equal shares as against the properties left by Ram Adhar, and that if either of the widow remarries, I reiterate, this is a very important line, if either of the widow remarries, that she would have forfeit her interest in the property, and the other widow in that case will be entitled to the whole of the property. Sometimes after this compromise, Muhammad Gulab Rani remarried, left Ram Adhar's home and went to live in her new husband's home in different village. So Muhammad Gulab Rani here remarries. So as the deed was that if either of the widow marries, she has to forfeit her rights in the property, and the whole property will go to the widow who is not married yet. So it's a matter of admission that by custom governing the caste to which the parties belong, even after remarriage, right of the widows are sustained in the property of the deceased husband. After the mutation case, Rao Rani was appointed as a Lambadar, and that has all along continued to be Lambadar by the suit giving rise to the present appeal. Gulab Rani claimed her share of the profits of Ram Hadar from the Rao Rani. Contentions by the appellant: according to compromise in a mutation case, Gulab Rani should forfeit her rights in the Ram Adhar's property after her remarriage. The second plea was Muhammad Rao Rani was not pressed in the courts below and was abandoned. Contentions by the respondent were contended by the respondent that the compromise referred in the mutation case was in restraint of marriage within the meaning of section 26 of Indian Contract Act and was therefore void. So section 26 of the Indian Contract Act says that if everything a contract which is in restraint of marriage or which restrains the marriage between the two people, then it will be null and void. So so Muhammad, the respondent here, who was Muhammad Gulab Rani, said that this contract was against the section 26 of Indian Contract Act 1872, that is in restraint of marriage. Principle laid down in the case were the principle laid down in Law versus Pierce that agreement in restraint of marriage is void was acknowledged, but it was apprehended a widow after remarriage loses her rights in the deceased husband's property. The judgment: the court held that if the widow elect to remarry, she would be deprived of the rights in the husband property, and also this is important point to be noted. Also, this does not impose any restraint to marriage. The similar judgments in restraint of marriage, the section 26 of Indian Contract Act are Lafatunisha versus Sahar Banu Begum, AIR 1932 Oath 108, and the Badu versus Badanisha 1919 29 CLJ 230. So if you like this video, do comment in the comment box and click on the like button, and don't forget to press the bell icon and click on the subscription button to get the further updates. Thank you.